if you can think for a minute about the biology behind ovulation, I bet you will love it. The process of ovulation is like Her Majesty the Queen of England coming down the street of England with a lot of people accompanying her. That is how ovulation occurs, with Her Majesty, your egg, the egg cell, coming down from the ovaries to the fallopian tube, waiting for fertilization to occur. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us on this episode of our discussion. On today's discussion, we are looking at symptoms of ovulation. What are those symptoms that will let you know that you are probably ovulating? If you're tuning in for the very first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click notification. Thank you. May God bless you. So the very first sign, the very first symptom of ovulation, very first one that will tell you that you are likely ovulating, is the best, which is the egg white cervical mucus. The egg white cervical mucus, which is the best, that tells you that ovulation is around. But before this cervical mucus, you have the watery type of cervical mucus that pave the way for ovulation. And with this cervical mucus, you see it therefore means ovulation is around. The next symptom that you can see and that will tell you that you're actually ovulating is your increase in basal metabolic temperature. So if your basal metabolic temperature is up, it therefore means that you could be ovulating. It therefore means that Her Majesty the egg is obviously on her way, coming down the fallopian tube. The next is vaginal spotting. So if you have vaginal spotting, then you are also more likely to be ovulating. But vaginal spotting also have other things related to it, but seeing it is also a symptom to show that Her Majesty the egg is probably coming down. The next is when you have pains around your abdomen. So if you have abdominal pains, okay, some people feel some sharp pains, this could mean that you are also ovulating. So if you have these pains, please don't feel like, oh, the world is coming to an end. You should rather consult with your doctor, because this could mean that Her Majesty the egg cell is actually rolling down for fertilization to occur. Another symptom is spotting, that is you having little drops of blood. This is also a symptom, a sign to show that Her Majesty the egg is coming down, to show that ovulation is around. Another symptom is when you have swollen around your vulva. You know, during ovulation, because Her Majesty the egg has to come down for fertilization to occur, the cervix will open a little bit for this fertilization, paving the way for fertilization to occur. Due to this openness of the cervix, you have the other organs around the cervix, that is the vagina and the vulva, increasing in size. So it is normal, and this is only when you check before you can easily understand that this is what is going on. The next symptom that can let you know that you're actually ovulating is when you have increased level of smell. I mean, you have some increased sense of smell. You feel like you just smell things around. This could mean that the egg cell is coming down. That is, you are at ovulation, meaning Her Majesty the egg cell is around for ovulation to occur. The next symptom is when you have increased levels of sex drive. So when you have some level of urge, then it is also more likely that Her Majesty, the Excel, is around. Then the final one, which we are going to see, is when you actually run the ovulation test and it shows positive. Therefore means that Her Majesty is already around. Running the test will mean that Her Majesty will be around maybe in a day or two, because a positive ovulation test doesn't suffice that you're ovulating at the moment, but it means that you will ovulate in a day or two. So with all of this, you're going to understand it better whenever Her Majesty, the Excel, is around for ovulation to occur. Thank you very much for following. I hope this helped you understand ovulation better. If you consider our material helpful, please help share to family members, help share to friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you're tuning in our video for the very first time. May God bless you. Have a wonderful time. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this article. We really do appreciate. We are Check Your Health and Maintain Your Wealth. Here we discuss reproductive health and social health on this channel. If you are someone who loves any article on reproductive health and social health, then this channel is for you. If you have friends, family members who will need information on reproductive health and social health, then this channel is for them as well. Please don't forget to subscribe. If not subscribed, don't forget to recommend our channel, Check Your Health and Maintain Your Wealth, to friends, family members, and well-wishers. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Do have a wonderful time. Thank you.